Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday here on the Ditch the Classroom podcast. Before we jump into today's question, I want to remind you that we have a flash sale coming up in a week and a half where you're going to be able to save 20% off of the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. This flash sale is going to be starting Monday, November 21st and running through Friday, November 25th. And it's going to allow you to save so much off TTFA so that you can grow your virtual assistant business and replace your teaching income in 6 months or less. If you've been considering this is your last chance to get this great of a sale this year. You'll be able to grow your virtual assistant business before school ends and be ready to put in your resignation come May or June, whenever y'all end school. All right, so today's question is, do I need a resume for my virtual assistant business? And the answer is no. You don't need a resume. You don't need a ton of experience. You need what's called a portfolio, which is what we use in the virtual assistant world. So a portfolio is a little bit less formal, and it shows how you can help your clients. It shows a bit about you, your personality. It gives a service overview. It usually has a couple testimonials in it, which you can totally get some testimonials from people. You can even trade, your first few projects in exchange for testimonials instead of payment. And then you can feature those in your portfolio. And then it also sometimes has examples of past work. That's not 100% necessary, but some potential clients like to see examples of what you've done. So that can also be included in the portfolio. I have an entire podcast episode for you going deep into the essential components of a portfolio. So that is episode 69 here on the Digital Classroom podcast. It's called the top 5 most essential components for creating your portfolio as a new virtual assistant. You can search on the Digital Classroom podcast. Again, that's episode 69, or you can go to digitalclassroom.com/vault, VAULT, and find it there. That's where we have all of our podcast episodes that we've ever recorded, organized by topic. It makes it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And then also, I want to let you know that in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy, I have a portfolio template for you, so you don't have to try to figure out where you should put what. It's literally pop in your information, copy paste your information or just type it out in the spots that I have in there for you. Pop in your photo, swap out some colors, and it's good to go. It makes it super seamless for you, and I have that ready for you in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. So again, we've got that flash sale on TTFA starting in a week and a half. It's running Monday, November 21st through Friday, November 25th, and it's got everything you need to take your virtual assistant business from 0 to 60. So make sure you're ready for that. And if you have a question that you would love for me to answer, I would love for you to come and drop it on our Quick Tip Thursday post over in our free Facebook community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. You can just make a new post, or you can scroll to the Quick Tip Thursday graphic and put your comment there, and I would be more than happy to answer it for you. All right, y'all. I love you so incredibly much, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.